Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Big O notation is a way to describe the performance of an algorithm in terms of its input size. It helps us analyze the efficiency and scalability of algorithms by providing an upper bound on the growth rate of their runtime or space complexity. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to calculate Big O notation for Python code and provide examples to illustrate different complexities. Big O notation expresses the upper bound of an algorithm's time or space complexity in terms of the input size. It describes the worst-case scenario, providing a high-level understanding of how the algorithm behaves as the input size becomes arbitrarily large. The notation is written as O, F, N, where F, N, represents the growth rate of the algorithm concerning the input size, N. O, 1, constant time. O, log N, logarithmic time. O, N, linear time. O, N log N, linearithmic time. O, N caret 2, quadratic time. Now, let's explore these complexities with Python code examples. By understanding and applying Big O notation, you can make informed decisions when choosing algorithms, ensuring your code scales efficiently with increasing input sizes. ChatGPT. Big O notation is a way to analyze and describe the efficiency of algorithms in terms of their time and space complexity. It helps us understand how the performance of an algorithm scales as the input size increases. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to calculate Big O notation for Python code with examples. Big O notation is expressed in the form O, F, N, where F, N, represents the growth rate of the algorithm concerning the input size N. The most common notations include O, 1, O, log N, O, N, O, N log N, O, N caret 2, O, 2 caret N, and O, N. We'll focus on some common scenarios. Explanation: the time complexity is O, 1, because the execution time does not depend on the input size. Accessing the first element of a list takes a constant amount of time. Explanation: the time complexity is O, N, because the execution time grows linearly with the input size. The function iterates through each element in the list. Explanation: the time complexity is O, N caret 2, because the function contains nested loops, resulting in quadratic growth as the input size increases. In most cases, focus on the dominant operations that contribute the most to the overall time complexity. Ignore constant factors when determining the Big O notation. For example, O, 2n, simplifies to O, n. Consider the best case, average case, and worst case scenarios when analyzing the time complexity of an algorithm. Understanding Big O notation is crucial for assessing the efficiency of algorithms. By analyzing time and space complexity, we can make informed decisions about algorithm selection based on the requirements of our applications. Remember that Big O notation provides an upper bound on the growth rate, helping us compare algorithms and make efficient choices in software development. ChatGPT.